It's working!
It's blinking. So,
Oh my gosh.
We have a smart outlet.
okay, and now we're gonna install the Gosund Smart Outlet in the kitchen. So we're gonna install it on this one. This is the setup that we want. But we're not gonna replace the GFCI.
Remember that from our last video, guys?
Yeah, this is gonna stay because I don't think the smart wall outlet can replace this GFCI. This is a very important, so this thing gonna stay. So this is where we're gonna install it. Okay, we already opened the smart outlet. So this is what it comes. The outlet itself, it has 3 wires. I'm not sure about these 3 wires because usually these outlets have the screw on the side or easy hole over here to put the wires, but this one is get 3 wires, but we'll see. So we have all the nut screws, the Gosund cover or plate, and labels,
Manual.
the manual. I don't see any manual to install the outlet.
Is it manual?
Yeah, no more. We only have the manual
Oh no. Oh no.
to link it to the Alexa. See, that's it. There's no manual to install this one, but that's okay. We have electrician. It's on standby, so we'll do this. First thing first, we're gonna take the breakers and turn off the power. So in this case, we have 2, 11 and 13, fine 11 and 13 in this one. Turn it off, both sides, so that you're safe. And disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, so we're gonna do this in our own risk. So you guys gonna hire a licensed electrician to install the smart outlet. Okay guys, this is the old outlet. As you can see, there's screws to put the wiring, or you can install it the hole right here, easy install. And then the Gosund smart outlet have wires. So how come it doesn't have screws right here to easy connect or holes? It's easier. So that's okay. We're just gonna connect it, all the wiring, and put nut and electrical tape. Electrical tape so that's not gonna get loose and everything.
You see that? They like the little things that if it doesn't.
Okay, we finally screw the thing in.
These are These are latches, so they're supposed to go under the thing. And like,
Right there.
there we go. Yes. Alright, we did
Okay.
it.
Now we're gonna turn the power back on.
It's working!
It's blinking. So
Oh my gosh.
okay, we're gonna go to Gosund app to try to link it. Press plus. Look for outlet, socket. Let's see socket.
Garage door scenario switch.
Strip.
Breaker.
What's- So we don't have smart outlet, so we're gonna auto scan.
Yeah, Gosund might want to fix that. There's no
Scatter device.
Ooh.
Okay guys, I cannot find the smart outlet on the Gosund app. So let's try sockets. Blinker, next, press next. And scanning device.
Socket.
2 minutes
Oh my god. Oh my god.
while the socket is blinking. Outlet is blinking.
Oh, red.
What does that mean?
Oh, it probably found it. Oh, yeah, we got it.
Oh, it's registering. There you go.
Yeah.
It's registered.
So if you guys are going to install the socket,
Outlet.
the outlet,
You press the socket.
yeah, the socket.
Yeah. So we're gonna name here.
Gaming is gaming.
No, we're gonna name it
Aw. Hey, Barrett, if you're watching.
Kitchen Smart Outlet.
Gaming. Yay.
There you go. Press done. And you guys can schedule too. Like switch 1 and 2, you can press schedule. And you can put time. Let's see, time right here. You can put. We're gonna put it later on. And then you can put countdown. I don't know what is this for, countdown. But it's in the manual, so you guys can check them out. Okay, we're gonna link the smart outlet to Alexa. So press Alexa in your app, and then devices, all devices. So right here it says here kitchen smart outlet, so it's already linked, I think. See, power back on. See, it's already linked to Alexa. Wow.
Right, let's make her do a command. Command, let's
Wait,
command.
I'm gonna test them out to command.
Yes, yes.
Alexa, turn off kitchen smart outlet.
Okay.
There you go, it's off. This is our GFCI. You all guys all know that the GFCI can control all the outlets right here. So I want to know if I press off in here, the smart outlet will turn off itself too. So let's try them on. Okay, it's off. Yes, the smart outlet is off. So that means the smart outlet is still connecting to the GFCI. The GFCI still control the outlet. So power back on right there, and smart outlet is on. There you go. That's the finish installation of the smart outlet. the smart outlet have a safety feature right here. As you can see, there's no opening. See, there's cover on that. The only time it will open that if you're gonna plug in something. So that's a good feature right there. If you see, this one is very open, there's no cover.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a good feature right here. We're gonna try and schedule the smart outlet to the non-smart rice cooker if it's gonna work. So we're gonna schedule it. So let's say in the weekdays morning 5 o'clock I wake up to go to work. I want my rice cooker on 5 o'clock. So we're gonna try that. Switch number 2. Add, let's see, let's pretend it's already 5 o'clock in the morning, but the real time is 2:55.
57.
57. We're gonna put it to 2:57. Save, and we wait if the thing will turn on.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go, guys. It went on, and the outlet went on. Perfect. So you can schedule it any day you want and time that you want. Perfect. Gosund. Okay, this is the coolest thing about the Gosund Smart Outlet. Let's go to Gosund app and press Kitchen Smart Outlet right here. As you can see on the right, it says electric right there. Just press, and there you go. You can see how much electricity this thing using right here. So as of now is 0.03 kilowatts. It says here current voltage is 120.9, current power 358.3. everything is right here. This is a good feature right there. Wow, nice, Gosund. Alexa, turn on Kitchen Smart Outlet.
Okay.
So you with the smart outlet, you can put like, for example, RGB lights anywhere, like in the corners of your cabinets to like make it colorful and stuff. You can control them, turn off and off whenever you want. Like, possibilities are absolutely endless with lighting, because my god, yeah, you can, I guess you can put lights in the like little crevices where you can't see it, and all you see will be rainbowish lights. Alexa, turn off Kitchen Smart Outlet.
Okay.
Well, that's the end of this video. Make sure to go to Gosund's website to check out these amazing products.
Yeah, www.gosund.com
Woohoo!
or Amazon. Check them at Amazon Gosund products.
We'll link it in the description. Yeah.
If we can.
Yeah, so that's the conclusion of
The
review, testing, and unboxing of Gosund smart devices.
I hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you want to. Hit the notification bell and put it to all. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Gosund, and thank you, Miss Shirley, for the amazing products.
Bye,
Yeah, those
guys.
are
Be
amazing.
safe.
Aloha, mabuhay.
Alexa, turn on Kitchen Smart Outlet.
Okay.
There. So what do you think, Mrs. M. Martinez?
Smart. I want that on the air condition in our room.